Bluey is stomping around the yard shouting, "Roar! I'm a dinosaur!" Bingo laughs. "You sound like a puppy, not a T-Rex." Bluey growls louder. Hook right away. Dad pokes his head out. "What's all the noise?" Bluey explains. "We're playing dinosaurs." Dad grins. "Then I'm a giant brontosaurus." He stretches his neck. Bingo giggles. "Too funny, Dad." Minnie Hook. Suddenly the ground shakes. Boom. Everyone freezes. "Did you feel that?" Bluey asks. The garden shimmers and transforms into a prehistoric jungle. Tall ferns rise. Strange bird calls echo. Twist. "It worked!" Bluey cheers. "We're in Dino land." A triceratops calf trots out. Bingo gasps. "It's real!" Bluey pets it gently. "See, they're friendly." But then the trees tremble. Thud. Thud. A shadow looms. Dad gulps. "That's bigger than me." A huge T-Rex roars. Hook again. Mom rushes outside but gasps at the sight. "Stay calm, kids." Bluey steps forward bravely. "Mr. T-Rex, we mean no harm." The T-Rex growls, then lowers its head. Twist again. It drops a giant egg at Bluey's paws. Bingo whispers, "He wants help." The egg glows bright. Suddenly cracks appear. Baby T-Rex hatches and squeaks. The giant dinosaur nudges it lovingly, then nods at Bluey. "We saved the family," she says with pride. The jungle rumbles again. Colors swirl. In a flash, the healers are back in their yard. No dinosaurs. Just grass and toys. Dad sighs. "What a trip." Bingo hugs Bluey. "Best dino game ever." Mom smiles. "And the bravest sisters." Bluey holds an odd leaf still glowing in her paw. She grins. "Proof it was real." Bingo nods. "And proof we were heroes." And hey, if you love stomping, roaring, and saving dinos with Bluey today, don't forget to like this story and subscribe for more adventures. Because the next roar might be even bigger.